Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to connect Threads with Facebook for more research. Since Thread is built by Meta, you can push your posts beyond Threads and Instagram by linking your Facebook account. Open your iPhone, open the Threads app and go to your profile. Next, what you're gonna do is tap the two lines menu in the top right, then select account. Look for the linked accounts. Then here you'll see options to connect your Instagram and Facebook. Tap Facebook and log in with your account. Once linked, toggle the share Threads post to Facebook. Now every post you make on Threads can also show up on Facebook automatically. And that's it. If you manage multiple Facebook accounts, double check which one you are linking before enabling auto sharing. Quick fix: if you don't see Facebook as an option, update the Threads app and Facebook app. Meta is still rolling out across posting features region by region, so it may not be available everywhere yet. Subscribe for more quick fixes.